Getting a free name change in Mobile Legends in 2024 is like finding a hidden treasure. Completely doable, but not obvious to everyone. Let me walk you through the exact steps so you don't waste time or diamonds. When you first create your Mobile Legends account, you'll get one free name change card. Yes, free. It's beginner's luck. But if you've already used it, don't worry. I've got a few more tricks up my sleeve. The easiest way to get a free name change card again is through events. Mobile Legends constantly runs seasonal events, and sometimes they include name change cards as rewards. Always check the in-game event center. Another option, achievements. Mobile Legends rewards players for completing certain milestones. Some players report getting free name change cards after completing high-level achievements, so dive into your achievement tab and start grinding them. Pro tip, always participate in Starlight membership freebies, even if you don't buy the pass. Occasionally, the freebie pool has a name change card, which doesn't cost you a cent if luck is on your side. If you're part of an active squad or guild, keep tabs on group rewards too. Some events tied to guild performance offer cool rewards, including name change cards. Don't sleep on this. It's an easy win. Another sneaky way is through in-game updates. Every now and then, when there's a major patch or anniversary, Moonton sends out gifts to players. These gifts can include rare items like name change cards, so log in often. Of course, there's the trusty Lucky Spins. Look for events where you can spin a wheel or draw rewards. Name change cards occasionally pop up here. Just be patient, because luck-based methods can take time. Now here's a weird one. Customer service. Believe it or not, if you politely contact MLBB support and explain why you need a name change, there's a small chance they'll give you a name change card. It costs you 0 diamonds to ask. People always tell me, Scott, I don't have time for all these events. And I get it. But if you log in for even 5 minutes daily to claim rewards, those tiny efforts stack up into free rare items over time. If you're playing regularly, save your battle points. Sometimes there's a name change card on sale in the Fragment Shop or BP Shop during limited promotions. It's not super frequent, but when it happens, you want to be ready. Here's what not to do. Don't waste diamonds to buy one if you're not in a rush. Be patient, take advantage of free opportunities, and you'll save yourself 299 diamonds. Doesn't a freebie feel way better than paying? And hey, if you're rocking a cringe name you regret, you're definitely not alone. Follow these steps, scout your freebie options, and you'll have a shiny new gamer ID in no time. Trust me, it's worth the wait.